Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are thinking about upgrading your TV audio and wondering whether the TCL S55H Sound Bar is actually worth your money in 2026, then this video is going to help you decide it. It's a 2.1 channel system with Dolby Atmos support that promises immersive sound without the complexity of the full home theater setup. And if you would like to check out the latest pricing and the availability, you will find the product link in the description box below. So first of all, let's start with the audio performance. So the TCL S55H features the Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X, which aim to create a more immersive sound like the sound experience. So instead of the flat forward facing audio, it basically tries to build a wider sound stage that makes movies and the games feel more engaging. With up to 220 watts of the total power output, it delivers the strong volume for living rooms and apartment. You also get a wireless subwoofer with a 5.5-inch driver, which adds noticeable depth to explosions, music beats, and action scenes. One standout feature is its AI sonic auto roam calibration. So this particular technology analyzes your room and adjusts the sound's output automatically. Whether your space is small or open, the system is going to adapt to improve the dialogue clarity and overall balance. So if I talk about the connectivity, so you will get the HDMI with ARC, which means a single cable connection to your TV for both the audio and control. There is also optical input for the older TVs plus Bluetooth support for the wireless music streaming from your phone or tablet. The USB playback is included as well, giving you the flexible options. For gaming and sports, the virtual sound processing is going to help create a more dynamic experience. The wireless subwoofer setup is also very simple. You just have to plug it in and it pairs automatically. So the question here is, should you actually go for this or should you actually buy this? So if you are tired of the weak TV speakers and you want a big improvement without installing multiple speakers around your room, then definitely the TCL S55H is a solid budget-friendly Dolby Atmos option. It is going to deliver you the strong bass, the immersive sound processing, and easy setup at a reasonable pricing. However, if you want smart assistant integration or the high-end cinema level precision at the extreme volumes, you may want to explore the higher tier models. So if you would like to check out the current pricing of it and if you want to read more details about the product, you can find the link of this particular product in the description box below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.